Professor Perumal College, and I'm studied civil engineering department, and yeah, I'm 2022 passed out. I got placed in Amity Software Technologies with a package of 4 LPA. I joined JSpiders July 24. Before joining, I don't have any technical skills. After joining, I get technical skills by in JSpiders. Well, teaching faculties are there, and dynamic HRs also there. They are very always try to push and provide more requirements to the students, and also help them to how to get jobs in IT field. They conduct a presentation class and mock interviews, which is very helpful to overcome fear of interview. And they also conduct programming class, which are helpful to improve our coding skills. And my suggestion is, if you want anyone going to enter into want to go IT field, my best suggestion is to go for JSpiders. Thank you, JSpiders.